don't remember what we're doing, dude.
Bubblicious is back with the boogie.
Oh, the trouble bubble. I'm so excited about this.
We can fix this. Oh,
That bodes well for today.
I'll fix this because that's unsightly.
Especially when you make me drive this down a drag strip with stuff falling off of it.
So our plan here is we're gonna drag race the bubble. We're gonna find out how fast it is naturally aspirated. We're gonna throw some nitrous on it and we're gonna hit the road. The key to all of this is the romping, stomping 4.3-liter V8. Now what's funny is when we had this thing in the Holiday Hoopty Challenge, I had identified it as a 4.3. And a bunch of people on the internet were like, did you catch Freiburger's gaff? A 4.3 is a V6, not a V8. Wrong! Yep, this is a 4.3-liter V8. It's an L99, which is very similar to the Gen 2 small block Chevy that you know as an LT1. It looks just like the bigger engine, but it is in fact a 262 cubic inch 4.3-liter V8. So there you go. Let's talk history of the Bubblicious. This is a 95 Chevy Caprice 9C1 actual cop car. I think it was a cop car and then a taxi cab, and it's got 1 million miles on it. And then it was purchased initially by MotorTrend for the show called Drift This. And those guys fixed up the high rider suspension, made it beef, put a drift brake on it, and put nitrous on the 4.3-liter V8 and drifted the thing around. Now, after that, it got absorbed by Roadkill. Our plan is to take this thing down the drag strip naturally aspirated, then get the nitrous working again, and then hit the road. You don't need this, do you?
We're definitely getting in the 16s now.
Okay.
Ah! Come on, window, go! Maybe today's the day when it will do a burnout. In water, on a drag strip.
I did not see that coming. We tried to do burnouts on dirt and it wouldn't. I guess it needed the water in the brake stand. There he goes.
Oh, that was great.
You realize racing these high rider cars is a real thing. There's some fast ones. That was the inspiration for making this happen because just you wait, this is gonna be unimpressive.
In first gear. Oh, no, it hit the rev limiter.
It looks faster than I remembered, I'll give it that.
Okay, it hit the rev limiter before it shifted. It is not fast, but it is scary. Okay, past the 8-mile mark. Still going, still floating. Oh my God, this is sketchy. Gently lifting off the throttle and squeezing the brakes. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Wow, this thing loves to run 1710 at 76 miles an hour. The only downside to that is that you know that Finnegan's gonna want to try and break into the 16s. I wanted him to save that margin so that we looked like even bigger heroes once we modified the thing. But no, he's just gotta lay it all on the table every single time. 1710 at 76 miles an hour.
What?
Yeah.
1710?
Yes.
I bounced it off the rev limiter.
I know.
We're so close to a 16.
Remember at Thanksgiving when you were a kid, you always had the wishbone?
Yeah.
Make a wish.
I wish for 16s.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. You won!
We're getting 16s.
All right, I'll help you start it again, or try it.
It doesn't matter how weak suck your goals are as long as you have some sort of goal.
Oh, he's on the rev limiter.
It shifted to second, but it didn't go. And it hit the rev limiter. All right, we're in third gear. It is not fast, but it is scary. Oh, it's so sketchy to drive. This is walking all over the racetrack.
He does it, 1696, 77 miles an hour. You know what that means? We can make this garbage go 15s on nitrous.
Okay, so there's no fuses on anything. It's hot wired right now, so when I go full throttle, it should click the solenoids.
Do it again. Yep.
All right, we got nitrous. Yoo-hoo.
Peace be with you. I'm gonna make him drive up there with that open, and I'm gonna open the nitrous right when we get to the line, because that way, if that solenoid leaks and just starts spraying nitrous, he can stage and go. You down with that, Mike?
Yep.
He's down. You ready to blow a bubble?
I'll have you know, I put the fire suit on, not because I'm afraid of nitrous. I'm just afraid of the wire that's laying on the hot motor that is electrical taped around the battery stud.
It'll be great footage if it happens.
Oh, man.
Fire it up, I'll open the bottle, slam the trunk, and give you the go.
Okay. Okay, car, don't hurt me.
All right, I opened the bottle and the engine didn't start racing, so we're pretty sure the nitrous solenoid does not leak, so that's good. Open it all the way, turn it back a quarter turn, and good to go. Or should I say, good to blow. My prediction is 1560.
Staging. You're in low gear. I'm gonna shift way early because it doesn't like to shift.
Can he handle the power? Will it spin the tires? Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt too. It doesn't want to shift at all. Oh my goodness. Breaking up at the top end. I don't see any smoke.
Oh, it's surging. It is not happy. It should not like the bottle for an extended period of time.
1549, 87 miles an hour, all over the rev limiter and with a lot of axle wrap and spinning right off the line. Before we move on, I feel like you need a little bit of a lesson on what this car is, as I myself was schooled, actually by Brian at Hoonigan, about it's not a donk. A lot of people want to look at this style of high rider, big inch wheels and everything and just call it a donk, but that's not it. See, there's donk, box, and bubble.
It's all about the Caprice and the Impala, the full-size Chevys. First up is the donk. That's 1971 to 1976. That body style is a badonkadonk. It's got a big butt. Or the Impala logo looks like a donkey, so people say it's called a donk. Next up is the box, which is a 1977-1990 model. They're all boxy, they're squared off. And then 91 to 96 is the bubble. They're all rounded off and bubblicious like this one.
There you go, yeah.
Oh my God! Okay, it's tippier than I thought that it might be. All right, let's go to the desert bar before we die.
Okay, great idea. There it is, dude, look. Military.
That is the Army truck that indicates
Bunker bar that way.
bunker bar. Oh, you're in trouble now.
This is a two-way road. Just keep that in mind.
Yeah. I can tell you're dying to drive. That's why you hire Finnegan.
Look at that!
Oh! He's going for it, man.
Whoa!
Oh my God. Here we go.
Here comes the jump.
Oh, man.
Is named for this competition.
There he goes. Good drift. He's got that drift handle.
Finnegan's going to be hard to beat. This is the hard part. Don't
Yep.
crash it. Don't
Gotta make
crash
a hard left. Here comes the grand finale.
There we go.
Oh, yeah!
Oh my God.
Wow! That was really cool.
Wow.
And it still runs and drives. Look at it. When I got that car set up for him, I did not expect this kind of glory. Look at that!
it.
Owning it!
Yeah!
I love this job.
Then again!
That was awesome. The bubble absolutely paid off.
I love this car. It still runs.
We didn't even do any timing or anything, did we?
No, who cares? It's judged for style. Here he comes.
He's using the drift handle.
Oh yeah, no, he's got it down.
Yeah.
I can go home now. Here we go. Oh, he lifted.
Oh, that was a good one.
Finnegan just wrapped up his multiple passes on our ultimate obstacle course here, and I think we all agree he dominated it. Did you see those jumps? Did you see the bouncing? 100%.
Allow me to introduce you to Bubblicious, the best car on the planet. I know, it doesn't look like much.